Hello my friends and welcome to my new vlog. I am right now at the beach, a little bit in the dune area. I was chilling over there, then played a little bit beach volleyball and went into the water. And I'm in Portugal, and yeah, I was just playing a little bit in the water and got stung by a stingfish. I was really lucky because I didn't jump that deep on it. I think the needles went not too deep through my feet, but it hurt a little bit for a few minutes. Now everything I would say is good. The area is a little bit numb. Like I don't feel the part of my feet, but besides that it's really good. And yeah, it's a really awesome beach where I am right now. I came over here with a little train. It drives around 5 minutes or something like that, and it is just like a funny experience to come over here. And I'm gonna think just making a little lay day over here, and later when it's getting really hot I'm going making a siesta. And I prepared some sandwiches, and yeah, this area is like completely dry, and look, just this little cool plant I found. It is really 100% different in Austria. Yeah, there's like a guy over there, he's fishing. He's trying since the morning. I think now he got a little fish, but like this sizes. I was expecting he's getting like big things out of the sea. But yeah. I'm right now in the train again, and it's a really fast train. Now I would say it's like, I don't know, double the pace by walking. And it's just nice that you don't need to walk in this crazy heat, because right now it's around 30 something degrees, and it's 1 o'clock. The sun is kicking really in, and yeah, and it's perfect, this little train, and it's like just nice. This is the view I have. I am right now back in the house, and I'm gonna chill a little bit and drink our coffee, and it's right now perfect to sit outside because it's around 20 something degrees. And yeah, I'm just gonna chill a little bit in the garden, like over here, and yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do something later because I'm really tired. I went today around 7 something to the beach, and yeah, then I got stung by a stingfish, and yeah, it tears a little bit of energy. And right now it's already something around 5 or 5:30. Yeah, just gonna have like a calm evening. And yeah, in that case, guys, I hope you guys liked my video. If you did so, it would be cool to show it with a thumb up. Subscribe to the channel that you don't miss out on some new videos. And in that case, I'm gonna say we're gonna see each other in the next video.